Did you know that this little blue fruit could be your secret weapon against aging? Yes, we are talking about the humble blueberry, a fruit that is as beautiful as it is beneficial. Cherished by many for its delightful taste and versatility, blueberries have been a part of our breakfast bowls, salads, desserts, and even skincare routines. Originally native to North America, these small but mighty berries have spread their roots all over the world, becoming a beloved fruit in many different cultures. And it's not just their sweet, slightly tart flavor that's won people over. Blueberries are packed with nutrients, making them a favorite among health enthusiasts. These tiny powerhouses are loaded with antioxidants, substances that help prevent or slow down cellular damage. They are rich in vitamins like vitamin C and vitamin K and are a good source of dietary fiber that aids digestion. Plus, they're low in calories, making them a perfect snack for those watching their weight. Studies have shown that the antioxidants in blueberries can help lower the risk of heart disease, reduce blood pressure, and may even protect against certain types of cancer. And if you're looking to boost your brain health, blueberries have got you covered there too. They have been linked to improved memory and cognitive function, especially in older adults. But here's the kicker. Blueberries have a surprising benefit that is often overlooked. It's something that could make a big difference in your life, something that could potentially change the way you look at this humble fruit. But what could this secret be, you ask? Well, you'll have to stay tuned to find out. So, the next time you enjoy a handful of these delightful berries, remember there's more to them than meets the eye. They're not just a tasty treat, but a nutritional powerhouse that can contribute to your overall health in ways you might not have imagined. But hold on, the real secret of blueberries is yet to unravel. Stay with us as we dive deeper into the blueberry mysteries, unveiling the benefits you never knew existed. Prepare to be amazed. Blueberries are not just your ordinary fruit, they pack a punch. That's right, these small, sweet, and slightly tart berries are much more than just a tasty addition to your morning cereal. Let's start with the most well-known fact about blueberries. They are antioxidant powerhouses. They are among the fruits with the highest antioxidant content, which are substances that can help protect your cells against damage by harmful molecules known as free radicals. Antioxidants are like the bodyguards of your cells, and blueberries are brimming with them. But the wonders of blueberries don't stop at antioxidants. They also play a role in brain health. Several studies have suggested that eating blueberries could improve memory and cognitive function. They are like a brain gym, helping your neurons to stay fit and active. So the next time you're feeling forgetful, why not reach for a handful of blueberries? Now let's talk about the heart, the engine of our body. It's no secret that heart disease is a leading cause of death worldwide. But did you know that blueberries could help maintain heart health? They are rich in anthocyanins, a type of flavonoid that has been linked to reduced risk of heart disease. So in a way, you could think of blueberries as tiny, delicious heart protectors. And let's not forget their role in maintaining healthy skin. The antioxidants in blueberries can help fight off the damaging effects of the sun, pollution, and other environmental factors that can lead to premature aging. So eating blueberries could help keep your skin looking youthful and vibrant. Impressive, isn't it? But we haven't reached the climax yet, so stay tuned as we delve further into the lesser-known, surprising benefits of this tiny but mighty fruit. You're in for a real treat as we reveal how blueberries can transform not just your health, but your life. Now, are you ready to discover the surprising benefit of blueberries? Hold on to your seats because this revelation is going to change the way you look at these tiny blue orbs. When you think of blueberries, what comes to mind? Perhaps a tasty snack or a sweet addition to your morning pancake stack. But what if I told you that these humble berries carry a secret superpower? A power that could potentially slow down the ticking clock of time itself. Yes, you heard that right. Blueberries may play a crucial role in promoting longevity and slowing down the aging process. Scientists have been intrigued by the potential anti-aging properties of blueberries for years. These berries are packed with antioxidants, substances that help protect our cells from damage. As we age, our bodies naturally produce more harmful molecules called free radicals, leading to cellular damage that can accelerate aging. But here's where the blueberries come into play. They are rich in antioxidants that can neutralize these free radicals, reducing their harmful effects. One of these antioxidants is a flavonoid called anthocyanin, which gives blueberries their signature blue hue. Recent studies suggest that anthocyanins may not only protect against oxidative stress, but also promote cellular health and resilience. This could potentially slow down the aging process and help us maintain our youthful vigor for longer. But that's not all. Blueberries also contain a wealth of essential nutrients like vitamins C and K, fiber, and manganese, all of which contribute to overall health and well-being. So while they're fighting off those pesky free radicals, they're also nourishing our bodies with the good stuff. Imagine that each time you pop a blueberry into your mouth, you're not just enjoying a tasty treat. You're also arming your body with tiny warriors, ready to fight the battle against aging and cellular damage. Quite a revelation, isn't it? Blueberries, the tiny warriors, fighting aging one berry at a time. So the next time you find yourself reaching for a snack, why not pick up a handful of blueberries? Not only are they delicious, but they could also be your ticket to a healthier, longer life. So how can we make the most out of this anti-aging benefit? Let's dive right into the practical aspects of incorporating this delightful fruit into our daily lives. Blueberries, with their sweet tart flavor, are incredibly versatile and can be added to a variety of dishes, or simply enjoyed on their own. Start your day with a refreshing blueberry smoothie. Blend a cup of blueberries with a banana, a handful of spinach, and your preferred milk for a nutritious and delicious start to your day. The antioxidants in blueberries pair perfectly with the potassium from the banana and the iron from the spinach to give you a nutrient-packed breakfast. If you're a fan of salads, toss in a handful of these tiny blue gems. They add a burst of flavor and color to your greens, making your meal both visually appealing and incredibly tasty. Combine blueberries with spinach, walnuts, goat cheese, and a drizzle of balsamic vinaigrette for a salad that's as good for your skin as it is for your taste buds. For those with a sweet tooth, blueberries can be a great addition to your desserts. Bake them into muffins, pancakes, or pies, or use them as a topping for your yogurt or ice cream. Remember, it's all about balance. And of course, there's nothing wrong with enjoying blueberries just as they are. Keep a bowl of fresh blueberries on your kitchen counter or desk and snack on them throughout the day. They're a much healthier alternative to the processed snacks we often reach for. While these are all fantastic ways to add more blueberries to your diet, it's essential to remember that moderation is key. Too much of anything, even something as healthy as blueberries, can have adverse effects. And of course, if you have any specific health concerns or dietary restrictions, it's always a good idea to consult a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet. Remember, a handful of blueberries a day keeps the wrinkles at bay. So why not make blueberries a part of your daily routine and reap the anti-aging benefits they offer? Let's do a quick recap of our amazing blueberry journey. We started off by unveiling the mysteries of this tiny yet potent fruit, taking a deep dive into its world of antioxidants, fiber, and essential nutrients. We learned that blueberries are much more than just a delicious addition to our summer picnics and fruit salads. They're tiny powerhouses of health, packed with vitamin C, vitamin K, and manganese. We then moved on to reveal an unexpected benefit of these indigo wonders. Blueberries, it turns out, have a profound anti-aging effect on our bodies. They are rich in flavonoids, particularly anthocyanins, which have been scientifically proven to combat oxidative stress, a major contributor to the aging process. Eating blueberries can help keep our cells youthful, promoting longevity and vitality. This benefit is no small feat, and it's one that can be easily integrated into our daily routines. Blueberries can be enjoyed in a myriad of ways, from a simple handful as a snack, a topping on your morning oatmeal, or even blended into a refreshing smoothie. And the best part, you don't need much to reap the benefits. Just a cup of blueberries a day can do wonders for your health. But remember, while blueberries are indeed a superfood, they're not a magic bullet. A balanced diet, regular exercise, and a healthy lifestyle are all crucial for maintaining good health and slowing down the aging process. So, as we wrap up our berry tale, let's not forget the broader picture of health and wellness. And of course, before you race off to the supermarket to stock up on blueberries, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional. They can provide personalized advice based on your unique health needs and circumstances. So, the next time you see these little blue marvels, remember they're not just a fruit, they're a fountain of youth. They're a testament to the fact that sometimes the greatest things come in the smallest packages. And with that, we conclude our journey into the fascinating world of blueberries. Until next time, stay healthy and keep enjoying your berries. Now, we would love to hear from you. What's your favorite way to enjoy these little blue powerhouses? Blueberry muffins, smoothies, or just straight from the bowl? Let us know in the comments below. If you're intrigued by the fantastic world of health and nutrition, you might want to check out our video on the benefits of green tea Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe if you found this video helpful. And remember, stay healthy, stay young.